make a brownies, and first on the oven into 180 degrees, and after that brownies mix. This is the brownies mix. And after that, 50 grams of butter.
And let's mix. And then let's add 100 ml of water. Just 100 ml for the 100 grams of brown mix. Let's mix it well. Thoroughly mix it. And it's already diluted. We will put it here. Okay. Yes, and now let's put it in the oven. And then bake it for 40 minutes. Here is the finished product. Let's try. This is a brownish. You know? It's a brownish. As easy as this. Look at that.
You see? So yummy.
Yummy! Charan! Charan! Yummy, yummy! The brownish. So, easy as